Today we are representing a radar tracker project. It is presented by me, Dinesh Gupta, and my friends Ayush Gaheja, Ishant, and Krishna. What is a radar tracker? A radar tracker is a device engineered to detect objects on large and small both scales. It is for the concept on large-scale radar systems and use ultrasonic sensors and detects and tracks nearby objects. It can use to calculate the distance and it calculates both stationary and moving objects. Can be used for object detection, position tracking, and embedded integrations. The components used for this are ultrasonic sensor, breadboard, Arduino, and some other hardwares like jumper wires, etc. We use the ultrasonic sensors measure the distance and gives a real-time experience of mapping something. The process measures the time interval between the sending the signal and the distance and speed can be calculated by this ultrasonic sensor also. The sequence works by first the signal is triggered, then the ultrasonic sensor uses high echo sounds to measure the distance, and finally it displays it on the radar. We can radar tracker in action. The servo motor scans the object and tells us whether the object is stationary or moving, and the exact coordinates can also be derived from the sensor. The execution, first we need to start it from the 0-degree angle. It sweeps and measures each and every angle and displays the data on the radar. It can also be looped and continuously be running. Its application and future scope. It is applied in ships and planes for radaring different things, and it can also be used in personal monitoring in homes also. Finally, to conclude it gives real-time information, speed and coordinates of the object and is very useful. Now let's move towards the practical example of our project. The radar is detecting the object and it also tells the distance according to the object placed there. When there is no object, it displays the